back, Empresses and Emperors. I hope you're doing well today. So I am making something that will help with inflammation and also colds. So right now what I'm doing is just cutting up my garlic. Now I could have gotten garlic that's already chopped, but this is the way I'm gonna do it. Everybody does it the way they want to. So I'm cutting them up piece by piece, garlic by garlic, let's just say that. But this will help with colds, inflammation during the winter. And I've been seeing a lot of social media posts about it, so I was like, hey, why not go ahead and do so? Because who doesn't want a homemade remedy versus something that you buy out of the store? So once again, this will help with inflammation and also colds that you might get or that someone might have during the cold season. It'll fight off those things. So we already know garlic has so many different benefits. This is why I'm using garlic. I'm cutting them bit by bit. And oh yeah, I've already got this much done. This is like not the full mason jar, but I was wanting to do like the full one, but I'm just gonna see how far I get with this one for right now. I'll probably do a bigger one, but for right now, this is what we're gonna do. I'll probably do like 2 of these. So stick around, enjoy, relax, and watch me work. Now I'm just gonna let this sit for like 4 weeks, and then it'll be right on time for like cold and flu season. Ready for cold and flu season with this mixture. And now that we have this all done, there is one other thing I will be canning as well for cold and flu season. Just in case you or your loved ones, just to like as a home remedy. Because I remember when I was younger, my grandmother always used to give me like honey, and it'll be a mixture of honey, onions together, just to break up the cold, just to break up like the inflammation that was in my system. I remember her always doing that. And as I got older, you know, I've always wondered like, how did she get that mixture or whatever? But like I said, this right here will definitely help with like I said, the inflammation, any type of cold symptoms, like congestion, things of that. Because the garlic has so many benefits. Garlic has a lot of health properties in it, and so the honey acts as almost like a cough syrup if you think about it. Because the honey is like anti-inflammatory as well. So yeah, so this is what we're doing, and this is the honey that I use. I've been using it for years. Definitely a good brand.